Hi, I'm Zach, and today I will show you the real energy savings of TRENDnet GREENnet switches. You may be wondering, what is GREENnet? GREENnet is an embedded energy-saving TRENDnet technology that reduces switch power consumption with no effect on performance. For detailed explanations of GREENnet technology, check out our other videos on TRENDnet TV. Today, I will simply show you that TRENDnet's claim of up to 70% energy saving for Gigabit GREENnet switches is not a marketing gimmick. Here you can see that we have two identical switches. They both have 8 gigabit ports and similar overall specifications. On top of each switch, we have attached a regular amp meter that you can buy at any electronics store. These amp meters display real-time power consumption in amps of each switch. Right now, the switches are not loaded. For the average house, switches are typically on but unloaded for 18 hours a day or a little bit over 2/3 of the day. The blue switch on the left is a regular 8-port gigabit switch. You can see that it is consuming between 0.57 and 0.59 amps when unloaded. To be conservative, we'll just say that it's consuming the low end, or 0.57 amps. The switch on your right with the green stripe is TRENDnet's GREENnet TEG S24Dg. It's exactly the same as the blue switch, but you can see right away that it's only consuming between 0.08 amps and 0.1 amps. To be conservative, let's just say that it's averaging 0.1 amps energy consumption. The following simple calculation reveals that the GREENnet switch is a remarkable 82% more efficient than the non-GREENnet switch when unloaded. So you can see right away that this value is far greater than our 70% energy claim. Now, let's load the switches to simulate a moderate home networking scenario. Here you can see that we have the same two switches in front of us. On this side, there is one storage server and a TRENDnet IP camera. On the other side, we have two computers. One computer is pulling 1080p video from the storage server through both switches to the computer. You can see the movie playing now. The other computer is pulling live 704 by 480 video from the IP camera through both switches. You can see the live shot of our TRENDnet TV studio on that computer. We created this setup to have all content pass through both switches to ensure that both switches have exactly the same loading at all times. The only difference between the switches is the power that they consume. This moderate loading scenario is similar to the average home use, such as downloading movies and music while playing online games or simply surfing the net and watching online movies. You can see that the non-GREENnet switch is now consuming between 0.67 and 0.69 amps. To be conservative, we'll just say it's consuming 0.67 amps. As well, you can see the GREENnet switch is consuming 0.24 and 0.25 amps. To be conservative, we'll just say that it's averaging 0.25 amps. The following simple calculation reveals that the GREENnet switch is a remarkable 62% more efficient than the non-GREENnet switch when loaded. You can now see that TRENDnet's claim of up to 70% energy savings for Gigabit GREENnet switch is no gimmick. If you're looking for a networking switch, choose TRENDnet's GREENnet to reduce your electrical bills and help the environment in a small way.